Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Saf is just going around the bed and everything, so if you hear someone squeezing into small spaces, it's her. So today we're going to do like testing new makeup, trying out new makeup. It's not going to be a full face because honestly I don't buy a full face anymore. Like, I just use what I've got at the moment. The first thing I want to start off with is the Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Foundation. I haven't tried this yet. I got the shade 8.5, but Alex and Luce have been telling me to try it, so we're going to do that today. Just going to put a primer on. I don't think I have been buying any new primers, so I'm going to use a water-based one, which is the Watermelon Tasty one from I Heart Revolution. I love this primer. It's like going good. Just made sure I was in focus because I might not be. Also, if you hear water, my partner's in the shower, so you're probably going to hear that. Let's try this. I'm going to shake it because it's probably very watery. Just going to put it on the back of my hand. It's very runny, but I'm sure you guys have seen this on like every social media at the moment. Oh wow, yeah. Don't need a lot, do you? And that was just like one pump. Wow. Everyone's been going crazy for this as well. Oh my god, this is just like your skin. Wow. I'm hoping you can see, but that just looks like my skin but better. It's covered so much as well. There's just like some on my nose, but I haven't got much on my nose anyway. And I've used the Revolution R8. I've kind of gone off this brush, but this is making me love this brush again. I still got a little bit left on my hand, and that was literally just one pump. I haven't got any cream bronzer that I haven't used before, but what I do like to use is this Colourpop cream bronzer in the shade Moonstone Beach. I've actually, if you can see, used quite a bit of that. So I'm just going to pop some of this on. I love to pull it there as well. Alright, bronzer is on. Let's now put blush. And I'm using a combo once I've powdered my facial C, but I have the new, well it's not new but it's new to me, liquid blush from Beautybay called Bonbon, and then I'm going to use it pairing it with bubblegum. I was meant to have some sorbet, but they sent me two bubblegums, bonbons, oh my god, two bonbons by accident, so I was actually going to pair sorbet with the sangria blush, but yeah, so I'm going to do this instead. So let's see how this looks. I do like the Beautybay blushes, but I just think they're a bit thick. Let's see, usually these colours look better when I'm tanned. I'm going to use the XX Duo brush and I'm going to use this end. Well, it looks nice actually. It's not as like scary as you think it would be, and you saw that was one dot. So sad. I've messaged them on Twitter, so hopefully they get back to me and I get sorbet, and I'll do maybe like a little TikTok trying sorbet. These blushes are like £9, but they are such a massive tube. Okay, and then for highlight, I have a cream highlight as well. This is 512. It's new from Mina. I got it on one of their 30% TikTok sales, but I cannot stop using it. And the way I like to use liquid highlights is by putting it on my hand bare. Like, I know I've used this in my own time already, but I just wanted to show you because it's amazing. And then like kind of just using a brush to diffuse it and then add it here and here. Like, look at that. That glow is such a me shade. Okay, and there we go, there we have it. Now I'm not going to powder straight away, I just want to add in the blush. So that is Bubblegum. I'm just going to add it on top. I really like the shade of this and I'm hoping I don't add too much. Just want to add like a dab of it. Ooh, I'll put some on my leg. Ooh, look how that just melts together. Literally dab it and dab it on your arm or something to get the excess off because it is pigmented. And then for highlight, now I have tried to swatch this and I want to use it in a video. This is the new wet highlighter from Collection. It's part of their power line, but whenever I've swatched it, it's just been glitter on my finger. Can you see that? So I'm hoping like with a wet highlight maybe it'll work. So I'm just going to use that same brush that we used the other highlight on. Maybe it's just you need to get through that layer, but let's see. I don't no, it's just literally just glitter. I don't want to ruin. I'm just going to put a dab on, but hold on. You know what? I'm just going to put a dab on, but hold on. You know what? I'm just going to use my eyebrow like spoolie and see if I can get a layer off. No, it's just glitter. That's a shame. I'm going to use that in my own time and see if I can sort that out. I'm going to just go off powder like my T-zone, add some powder bronzer on, and then we'll come back for the lip combo basically. The NYX pencil in No Whining. And then we're going to go in with the Mina Lip Glow in 385. Which I think is a perfect pair. My face is finished. What do you guys think? I'm actually really happy with all these products as usual. I think what has stole the show is my blush and my lips. So I'm really in love with these colours. These colours are going to be perfect when I have even more of a tan. But especially for pale people, I think these colours are very universal, to be honest. Like when I've got a tan and I'm a bit more olivey, these kind of colours are what I go for as well. So I'm really in love with this Beautybay combo. I'm also really in love with the lip combo. So obviously I said I've got the NYX No Whining and I've got the Mina 385 Glow. Mina are quite like on the middle spectrum, like they're between 13 and like 17 pounds for a product, but I always like wait for 3 for 2 on Superdrugs, or you can wait for TikTok sales. They do like 30% off on certain things most Thursdays because they've been releasing stuff. And also I have been in love with their liquid glow. Like I had to, well, it's called their No Rules cream highlighter in 512. I just had to grab that. And then this, I love it, I really do. It's quite easy, one pump I got all of this. How much is in here? It's very like fancy, the tub. There's 23 mils in here, which is normal for Revolution. I believe it's like a dupe to the NARS Radiant Foundation or something like that. Ice Cream Man. The one thing I'm very not happy with is this thing here. I literally, would he want to hurry up? Wouldn't recommend this at all. I'm gonna keep trying with it, but like I did scrape a layer off and it is just literally glitter. But it's such a gorgeous shade, so I don't know, I might go to a shop and like swatch it and see if it's just my one that's a dud one. But yeah, this is just ridiculous, so I don't recommend this. I think that was everything. Oh, for my bronzer, my powder bronzer, I went on top of the Colourpop one with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. This has been like a favourite for ages. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!